Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is April 3rd, 2025, and here are our top stories. AI in Adobe, text to video, Ghibli Craze, responsible AGI. AI in Adobe. Adobe has launched new versions of its video editing tool, Premiere Pro, and the animation program After Effects. Notable updates include an intelligent search feature called Media Intelligence, which identifies content within video clips, and the ability to automatically create subtitles from audio tracks, translating them into 27 languages. The Generative Expand feature, introduced as a beta in autumn 2024, is now part of the full version. After Effects has improved performance for smoother operation, even on older devices, and expanded three-dimensional support. It also now supports the Filmbox format, FBX, in its final version. Text to video. Meta introduces MoCha, an AI surpassing previous video models by generating photorealistic character animations directly from speech and text. Gestures, lip sync, and interactions are automated, synchronized, and impressively natural. Developed by a team from the United States and Canada, MoCha creates full-body movements in sync with spoken language. Its core architecture is a diffusion transformer model with approximately 30 billion parameters, overcoming lip-sync issues with smooth transitions. Capable of producing scenes with multiple characters, MoCha finds potential applications in digital assistance, advertising, and education. This could be a significant advancement for companies working with avatars, moving towards automated video production. Ghibli Craze. OpenAI's newest image generator sparked a wave of enthusiasm, drawing millions of users eager to craft images inspired by the Ghibli style. The sudden surge in demand prompted OpenAI to limit requests, citing copyright concerns related to Ghibli-style prompts. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman commented on the immense interest, confirming that adjustments were made to the model to address the issue. As a result, many users are now exploring open-source models that do not have the same restrictions, providing them with alternative paths to creativity without the limitations imposed by OpenAI's latest updates. Responsible AGI. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, is on the horizon, offering the potential to match human capabilities in many cognitive tasks. Once achieved, AGI will enable AI to autonomously understand, reason, and execute actions, paving the way for major advancements. This breakthrough could become a powerful tool for tackling global challenges like drug discovery, economic growth, and climate change, promising profound societal benefits. Imagine faster, more accurate medical diagnoses that transform healthcare, and personalized learning experiences that make education more engaging. A new paper, An Approach to Technical AGI Safety and Security, outlines strategies for ensuring AGI's safe development, focusing on risks like misuse and misalignment. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.